A very good morning, students. How are you all? In my last class, we have completed chapter reading and I have also given you some assignment to complete. Some of the students have completed it very nicely. I appreciate that. But I want that rest of the students should also complete it as per given instruction. If you have any doubt, you can ask me here in this group. Now in today's class, we are going to complete some question and answers which are given in the book. But you have to write them in your notebook in a very beautiful cursive handwriting if you can. And you have to write as I have written. You have to try it. Okay? Now, first of all, let's take a short look in the story. So, what is the name of the story? Who will be Ningdo? As I told you earlier that Ningdo means king and Lima means queen in Manipuri language. In Manipuri, king means Ningdo and queen means Lima. So here you can see Ningdo and Lima are standing over here. They are talking to each other and saying that our Miam should be happy. Everybody in Kanglipak should live in peace. Not only the people but the birds, animals and trees too. Here, Ningdo and Lima had three sons, Sanajoba, Sanayama and Sanatomba, and a daughter Sanatombi. She was lovely child, very gentle and loving. Years went by and children grew up well. Then one day the Ningdo called his chief minister. Now chief minister and Ningdo are talking to each other. Ningdo is saying it is time to decide the Tunji Ningdo, the future king. Where is there? What is there to decide? Chief minister is saying your eldest son will be the future king. Now here in this picture you can see that's how it happened in the olden days. But today we will select a king who is most worthy of becoming a king. Ningdo is saying that to his chief minister. So they are organizing a contest now, a horse race. Sanajwaba, Sanayama, and Sanatomba were expert riders, and all three reached the finish line at the same point. Here Ningdo is saying something to his son. My sons, do something different, each one of you, so that we can decide who will be Tunji Ningdo, the future king. Here you can say Sanajwapa mounted his horse and held his spear straight in front of him. He looked at the huge Kongnang standing majestically at the distance. He pierced the tree and jumped his horse right through it. Now it was the turn of the second son, Sanayama. He rode towards the tree harder and harder. When he was close, he jumped clear over the huge tree and landed on the other side. This picture you can see now it was turn of the youngest son Sanatomba. He too rode his horse towards the Kongnang and uprooted it. Triumphantly he carried the tree to the Ningdo and Lima and laid it at their feet. Here peoples were waiting for the Tunji Ningdo. Now here Sanatombi came. She was so sad after watching this. The Kongnag is dead. it was first hurt by the sphere and now it is dead. Now Lima is saying something. If anybody is worthy of becoming the ruler, it is Sanatombi. Sanatombi feels the pain of others. In this picture, you can see a Lima is one who doesn't hurt anybody in the kingdom. I declare Sanatombi the future Lima of Kangli Park. This is the end of the story, and we got a message here from this story. A true leader is not someone who has power and strength, but one who has the wisdom to use it correctly. Now move to the question and answer. Now, as I have given you homework of this multiple choice question to do it by yourself. Tick the correct answer in each. Now we will do it. Check your answer. Who was Sanatombi? The prince, the Miam, the Lima, the princess. Yes, she was the princess. Now here in the next second question, what is the king called in Manipuri? Lima, Ningdo, Miams. Yes, it is Ningdo. How did the king plan to select Tunji Ningdo, the future king? So its answer is whoever reached the banyan tree first would be declared Tunji Ningdo. Question number 4. Why was Sanatombi sad? Its answer is the Kongnang was hurt by the sphere and it was dead. It was dead. That's why Sanatombi was sad. Now move to the question and answers. Here read and answer. First question is, where is the land of Kanglipak? Do you know? Let me tell you the answer. Here is the answer. The land of Kanglipak is in Manipur. Yes, it's in Manipur. Okay, now next question is, how many sons did Ningdo and Lima have? What were their names? Let me tell you the answer. I hope you know the answer. Now, here is the answer. The Ningdo and Lima had 3 sons and their names were Sanachoba, Sanajoba, Sanayama and Sanatomba. Now, next question is question number 3 as for your homework. Question number 4. Why did the king select Sanatombi as the future king? Future ruler. Why did king select Sanatombi as the future ruler? Here is the answer. Here is the answer. The king selected Sanatombi as the future ruler because she felt the pain of others. It's the quality in Sanatombi. So now, here is the think and answer. Question number first is, why do you think the Ningdo and Lima were loved dearly by the people? What's the question? Why do you think the Ningdo and Lima were loved dearly by the people? Here is the answer. Here is the answer. The Ningdo and the Lima were loved dearly by the people because they always tried to make them happy. Was the plan decided by the king to choose the Tunji Ningdo a good plan? Give a reason for your answer. This is question number 2. Let me tell you its answer. Here is the answer. Yes, it was a good plan. He wanted to choose the one who was most worthy king. Question number 3 is, do you think the king's decision was correct? Give reason. Here is the answer. Yes, the king's decision to select Sanatombi as the future ruler was correct because a ruler must have a kind heart to feel the pain of others. Now, here is question number 4 is given. Here is question number 4 given, in which you have to locate neighboring states of Manipur on the map of India. It's a kind of a small activity that you have to do at your home. Just find out the neighboring state of Manipur. Okay, now move to the question number 5. Do you think the Ningdo was a good king? Give reasons for your answers. Here is the answer. Yes, Ningdo was a good king because he always thought about his people and was loved by them. Now move to the reference to contest. Read this sentence and answer the question that follows. The sentence is written over here. She feels the pain of the people, the animals, the birds and the trees. Now, there are 4 questions given related to this sentence. We have to give the answer. Question number 1 is, who said these words to whom? I will give you the answer. Here is the answer. The Ningdo said these words to his 3 sons. Next question is, who is she? I hope you know the answer. She is Sana Tombi. She is Sana Tombi. Question number C is, why does the speaker talk about pain? Here is the answer. According to the king and the queen, only Sana Tombi felt the pain of others and hence was a worthy ruler. This is why the speaker talked about the pain. Next question is, what happens next? Here's the answer. The Ningdo makes Sana Tombi the future Lima of Kangli Pak. Okay. Now move to the next question. Here is the next question, which is HOTS question. Higher order thinking skill questions. Question is, if the selection of the Tunji Ningdo was done on the basis of the contest, who do you think would have been chosen amongst the 3 princes? Now, you have to do this question by yourself. This is a part of your homework. Now, here is your homework. First is, complete the exercises given in the page number 14. Talk and page number 15. Listen by yourself. Let me show you those exercises. Here is page number 14 and the exercise talk, which is given here. You have to know the difference between should and must. Where we use should and where we use must. Now here you can see we have 2 columns, 2 rows in which some sentences have been given. You have to complete these sentences using must. Well, if you can complete this, I will check it. But if you won't be able to complete, then I will tell you the right answer and you will check that whether your answer is correct or not. And second is in page number 15, listen. You have to tick the action words that you hear. You can take listening text on page number 164. Open 164 page number and take help from there. You have to tick action words. Okay, I hope you can do. It's very simple. Next homework is question number 3 of read and answer. And HOTS question, as I told you, HOTS question you have to do it by yourself. And question number 3 of read and answer. Let me show you that question. Here, it's very simple. Match the pictures to their correct names. Here 4 people are here and you have to match them correctly. Okay. Third number, learn all the question and answers which we have written. You have to learn all the question and answers properly. Question number and fourth number homework is write in a very beautiful, neat, and clean handwriting 2 pages of your cursive handwriting. I hope you have cursive handwriting book. You have to fill 2 pages of that book by yourself, but in very beautiful, neat, and clean handwriting. Okay, that's all for today. Take care.